Hello student, welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to see the chapter number 10, Access Creating a Database, part 2. So in previous part 1 we have learned about what is a database, how it is, for what purpose it is created. Now we are going to see how to create a database. Okay. So see, starting access. So how to start, how to create, how to start. So for that we have to click on a start button, and in that menu you can see the access. So you have to click on that and your access, Microsoft Access, will get open. Then we are going to see creating a database using template. What is the template we are going to see? Then opening a database file. What is a database file? Okay. And creating a blank database. Okay, how to create a blank database. This thing we are going to see in this class. So let's start. So now we can see how to create the database using templates. So these are showing you that is blank database, bugs tracking, events management, contacts, personal account, ledger, students. All these are the templates. So you can click on any one template and create your database. So all these are the template. We are see how we create the template by using a templates, how we create a database. Getting? Yes? Okay. Now creating a database using templates. So here you can see these all are the templates. Okay, see, all are the templates. Okay, this is a student template. Okay, when you click here you can see here, you can write here that you can write here the students. Okay, students. Okay, and if you want you can give the extension .accdb, or you can directly just click on the you can just click on the create, it will get created. Okay, just click on here. Now here you can see that the student list. Okay, so new student, it will show you. Then it is given a open, first name, last name, email addresses, student ID, levels, rooms. Okay, special circumstances, all this it is given. Okay, a security warranty warning appear. To hide the warning and enable the macros in this templates, click enable contents. Okay, so you can see here it is showing you the security warning. Okay, you have to click on this enable contents. Okay, when you click on this enable contents, okay, you can see when you click on that enable, now you can easily fill the first name, last name, like this you can do, or directly you can fill the first name, last name. Okay, like Aman. Okay, last name should be Patel. Okay, like this you can. Email address you can see, ID you can take 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so all this thing you can fill here. Okay, you can give like Aman dot Patel @gmail.com. Okay, like this you can fill the table. Getting this? Yes. How to use that template? Yes. How to create a database using template? There are so many templates, so we use a student list template. Okay, now we are going to see how to opening a database file. For that again you have to click on the file. Okay, in that you will get the options new, open, save as, print, close. Okay, so click on opens. When you click on opens, the browser will, there will be some options given like recent, OneDrive, this PC, add a place, and browser. Okay, as shown in the picture. So you have to click on that browser. When you click on that browser, then again that where your database file is stored, it will open, that path will open. So see here data access. Okay, in that there will be the many files, like see here it is showing that earth database is given, music database is given. So which database you want to open, you can click on that database and click on open. While open you have to click on open exclusive, you have to click open exclusive. Okay, so it will not open in only read form, open exclusive read only. Okay, so you have to click on open, that file will get opened. Getting how to open the database file? Yes, in the database access, Getting? Okay. Now here we are going to open a database file. You can open database file that you have previous created to continue entire data into it or analyze its data. Okay, so you can see here, you can directly take it from here. Recently we have seen that we have created student, or for that you can go in open. Okay, you have to click on the open. In open you can see the browser. Okay, you have to click on the browser. Click on browser, the open dialog box will appear. Okay, and after clicking on the browser, see here. Okay, can you see here? And then there is a student here. Okay, student is given. Okay, and now you can click on open. When you click on open, you can see that it will get opened. Okay, you can see that it will get open. Now you can enter any name of a student. Okay, like we are giving here a name of another student. You can fill the data in this. Okay, like this you can fill the data about the student, as many as you want. Okay, getting this? How to do it? Yes. Okay, now like this we can open and we can insert the data. So like this we are opening a database file. Getting? Okay. Now next is creating a blank database. So here you can see, after creating a new, there is a blank database template is there. You have to click on that blank database. When you click on that blank database, they will asking for the name, file name of database. You can give the file name and you can give the extension .accdb. Otherwise, if you don't get any extension like .accdb, okay, and click on the create, okay, it will directly take that extension as a database and your table will get created. Okay, got it? By using a blank database you can create the table, blank table. Okay, getting this? How to create a blank table? Yes. Okay, now the next is creating a blank database. Now how to create a blank database? You have to click on the file. Okay, again, and here it is showing you templates, blank database. Okay, you have to click on blank database. Okay, so I have clicked on here. Okay, and if you want you can give any. Okay, I am giving here employee. Okay, I am giving here employees. This database I have created. Okay, if you want you can give .accdb, or otherwise if you can't give, it's okay, it will already take it. Okay, just click on create. When you click on create, you can see here two table is created, that is ID and click to add. Okay, so type a name of the database in the file field that we have given, that what we have given, we have given the employee. Okay, then you have to create it, so click on create. After that this table will created. Okay, so access create a new blank database and open a new table. Okay, so now you can create your own table by entering record in it or navigation panel display database object that you create, such as table, forms, query or report. Now we have created the table here. Now what we are doing? We are creating a new tables. So here can you see here home it is given, create, here table is given. Okay, if you want you can click here. Okay, when you click here you can see the table 2 is created. Okay, so with the help of this you can create as many table as you want. Okay, so we are here on the table 1. Open a database file and create a tab on the ribbon and click on the table button, as we have seen that how we have created the table 2. Okay, now the next we are going to see creating a new table. How to create a new table using datasheet view. There are two types we can create the new table, that is datasheet view and design view, using design view. So first we are going to see the using datasheet view. So datasheet view is useful when you need to create a table quickly consisting of few fields. If you want to create the table very quickly, you can use this datasheet view. Axis assign general names to the fields such as field 1, field 2 and so on. So you can create a quickly table, and it give a table field like field 1, field 2 and so on. Create a table by adding a new field, simply typing the field name into the column ahead heading placeholder. So you can just create a table, and on the heading column head you can place the field name. You can write the field name. So see here, once your database is created, blank database is created, after that you have to click on the create. In create you have to click on the table. Once you click on the table, your table will get created. Okay, like this table will get, empty table will get created. Your ID is given, click to add. If you want to give any ID, any name, what you have to do, that column header you have to click a double click and give the name. Like we can use employee ID, student ID. Okay, then click, then you will get here the menu will come, short text, numbers, currency. Okay, when you click on the short text, you will get going added the field name to that field, and up till which field you want, how many field you want in your table, you can create with the help of this. Getting how to create a database using a that is a datasheet view, using a datasheet view. Yes, okay. Now here we are creating a new table by creating a table in two views, that is datasheet view and design view. So see here, table 2 we have created in a datasheet view. Okay, datasheet view, while the table 4, okay, see here it would look like this. It is in design view. Okay, so here you can type the field which you want and the data type, what will be the data type of that field. Okay, so see here table 2. So for that, again I told you that you have to click on the create. Okay, create tab on the ribbon. After create tag, you have to click on the table buttons. Once you click on the table button, this table 2 will created. Okay, so as many table you want, you can click, that much table will created. Okay, after that, access open a new table in a datasheet view. This is a datasheet view. Okay, now do a double click where you will do here. Okay, you can double click here. Okay, and if you want, you can type any field name, like we are doing here a student ID we are giving. Okay, student ID we are giving. Okay, then press the enter key. He will ask you which type you want, so you can give short text or number also you can give. Okay, so here you can use a short text. As you increase the short text and all these things, okay, when you select the short text, the field will get added. Okay, now after student, what is the main thing, that their name. Okay, the name of the student. Okay, then again enter. What will happen, they will ask for short text. Okay, again you click on the short text, so you can add the field. As anytime you add the short text, select the menu will appear, data type menu will appear, and you add the, if you select the short text, that much time it will, you can able to give the name to the field. Okay, so after student name we will see the class. Okay, after a class, you can see here data type, again they were asking, so click here. So what will the class, division we want, right, division. So like this you can create. Okay, then fees we can say. Okay, then we can create fees of that student. So like this we can create the table. Getting? So type a name of the field. Repeat step 6 to 8 to create more field for the table. So here see, we have done how many field we have created, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we have created the 5. Now 6th here, like we can say transportation, whether they are using bus or not, transportation. Okay, so this again one field is created. So you can create as many field you want. So like this we can create a table by using the data sheet view. Now you can insert the name of a student here. like suppose anybody's name is starting from A, we can say that Arnav Singh, right? Then division is from 7th. Okay, 7th, which division? 7th A. Then fees, how much fees? Okay, suppose we are giving a 3000. Transportation using bus or not? Bus. Okay, so like this you can enter the, and see here, you can see here it will take automatically. Okay, we don't have to give anything. Okay, it will take automatically Arnav's number. Now the next we are going to see from, that is C, Chetan. Okay, suppose we are giving a spell name Chetan. Okay, Chetan Joshi from 7th B. 7th B. Okay, 2000, and here we can give walkers. Okay, so like this you can insert the students names, students detail in this respective fields. Getting this? How to create a table, new table in using a data sheet view? Yes. Okay, so in this class we have learned how to starting Access 2016. Okay, how to open the Microsoft Access. Okay, then we have seen the how to create the database using a template, different template we have seen, like student. Okay, then blank desktop template is also there, then the different contacts, like this template we have seen. Then after that we have also learn about opening a database file, how to open the database file that which I have already created and how to open it. Okay, then we have seen that how to create a blank database. Okay, we also seen in this class that how to create a blank database. Then we also see the how to create the new table, how to create the new table by using a datasheet view. So all these things we have seen in this class. Now the remaining thing of this Access we are going to see in the next class. Till then what I have told you have to revise. Okay, till then take care and thank you.